Castor oil is a versatile type of vegetable oil that has been around for hundreds of years. The oil is extracted from castor beans and actually has many different medicinal, pharmaceutical, and general uses that most people are unaware of. With that said, some people believe that castor oil is effective in boosting the immune system. And that is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. As previously mentioned, some researchers believe that castor oil can increase your white blood cell count, which increases your body's ability to fight off infections. To be more specific, it is believed that castor oil increases lymphocyte production. Lymphocytes are a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies whenever an infection is present. So by increasing the number of lymphocytes, it strengthens the immune response, which helps eliminate invading viruses, toxins, and bacteria. More research is needed in this area, but preliminary findings do seem to be promising. Keep in mind that, while it is generally considered to be safe for consumption, using too much can lead to unwanted side effects. Therefore, as always, please speak with your doctor first before using or consuming castor oil. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only.
Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel. Also, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other resources that I think you will enjoy. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. And if you want to support the channel, be sure to drop a like on this video, and you might as well go ahead and click the subscribe button while you're down there. I would greatly appreciate it. That's it for this one. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.